Good morning, my students. How are you? Hope you're fine. I miss you so much. Hope inshallah we can meet soon. Uh, let's revise what we have covered yesterday. We have covered four laws of integers, of exponents, four laws of exponents, which are in multiplying exponents having the same base, we just add the powers. You remember this? And in dividing powers having the same base, we just subtract the powers. Okay? Then we went through if we multiply or raise a power over a power like this, we just distribute the power over the bracket. And we also covered if we have like two variables or two numbers or a variable and a number inside the bracket, and all to the power of are raised to a certain power, we just distribute the power over the bracket. Our new law today, that if we have like a fraction x over y all to the power of n, we also distribute the n or the power over x and over y. For example, if I have 2 over 3 all to the power of 2, so I will just distribute the power 4 over 2 and over 4. So the answer will be 2 power 4 over 3 power 4. Let's take an examples in order to clarify more what's going on. If I tell you here 3 to the power of 2 all to the power of 5, this is what we have covered yesterday, then we're just going to multiply both powers together. Then the answer will be 3 to the power of 10. What about if we have a to the power of 3 all to the power of 4? Also, we're just gonna multiply the power together, so the answer will be a to the power of 12. Here 2a power of 2 all to the power of 3. This 2 means it's 2 to the power of 1. So I will just multiply the 3 one time. Multiply by 1, and so it's going to be 2 to the power of 3, and a to the power of 2 times 3 equals 6. So the answer, my answer will be 2 to the power of 3, a power of 6. Here it's a little bigger. 2 to the power of 2, a power of 5, b power of 3, all to the power of 2. So I will just distribute this power over all the powers inside the bracket. So it means 2 power 2 times 2 means 2 power of 4, a power of 10, b power of 6. Here negative 3 power of 1, it means power of 1, so negative 3 power of 2, because 1 times 2 is 2, a power of 2 times 2 will be a power of 4. Here s2t 4 all power of 3, so the answer will be s power of 6 t power of 12. Here if I have the fraction s over t all power of 5, it means s power of 5 over t to the power of 5. What about here? Here 3 to the power of 9 over 3 to the power of 5 all to the power of 2. Do you remember when I told you before, if I have power having the same base, they are divided together, I just subtract the powers. So here 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3 to the power of 5. It means same base, they are divided, so I will just, before expanding anything, I will just subtract the 2 powers. It means 3 to the power of 4, because 9 minus 5 is 4, 3 power of 4 all to the power of 2, which means 3 to the power of 8. Here st power of 8 over rt power of 4 all to the power of 2. So I have to find first the same base. powers having the same base. S, it doesn't have any base. It doesn't have the same base. I don't have other s in the denominator, so I will put it as it is. S to the power of 1 times 2, it will be s to the power of 2. What about the t? T, I have t8 over t4. So what am I going to do in the power? As long as they are divided together, having the same base, so I will just subtract the powers. So t8 minus 4 will give me t to the power of 4. T to the power of 4 over all to the power of 2. As if I'm saying S2 t 8 over r power of 2, because I don't have any other r. So again, s power of 1 all power of 2, it means s to the power of 2. Here I have t to the power of 8 over t to the power of 4. I will subtract because they have the same base. I will just subtract the powers. 8 minus 4 is 4. So t power of 4 all to the power of 2, it means t to the power of 8. What about the r? I don't have any other r's, so it will be over r to the power of 2. So the answer will be s power 2 t power 8 over r power of 2. What about this? 36 a power 5 b power 8 over 4 a power 4 b power 5 all to the power of 2. Here I have two numbers. I will just divide them normally. 36 divided by 4 will give me, the answer is 9. What about a power 5 over a power 4? I subtract them together. So a to the power of 1 all to the power of 4 and b to the power of 8 minus b to the power of 5 b to the power of 3. So the answer here will be 9 power 2, 9 to the power of 2, a power of 2, because, and here 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, so the answer will be 9 to the power of 2, a to the power of 2, b to the power of 6. Here are the answers. Here both are the answers. Let's go for another law. If I have a negative power, I cannot have a negative power. It's not applicable in math to have such a negative power. So what am I going to do for this negative power? I cannot write it like this, but I can exchange the form. I will change it into 1 over x power m. Yani it means x power negative m, I cannot leave it like this. I put it in this form, 1 equal x power m. For example, if I have 5 power negative 3, I cannot keep it like this, because this is not right. In math, I cannot leave a negative power as it is. I will just put it as 1 over 5 power 3. I cannot leave a negative power like this. I will just change the form. 5 power negative 3, it means 1 over 5 power 3. So if I tell you 3 to the power negative 2, I cannot leave it like this. I will write it as 1 over 3 power of 2. You understand now? Okay, let's take an example and see. No, another, let's move to the last law and then take examples. Any number 1000 power 0 is 1. Any number the powered by 0, the exponent, the answer will be 1. Any number, even if I tell you 1 million to the power of 0 will give me 1. 1000 to the power of 0 will give me 1. Anything powered by 0, the answer will be 1. Okay, so now we are almost done with all the laws of exponents. Let's finish to this point, and tomorrow we're gonna revise for all the laws, and then we're gonna do some exercises to clarify and to make it um, to let you understand more the concept. So let's stop until here, and tomorrow inshallah we'll continue for more exercises. Hope you understand everything, and for any question please feel free to email me or text me, so we can be able to explain more. And have a good day. See you tomorrow inshallah.